Question 7. This equation, where b and c are positive integers, has a discriminant of 16 and b minus c is 4. Okay, let's write this down first. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. So they said the discriminant is 16 and b minus c equals to negative 4. Okay, these are the two information that they gave us from this sentence. Okay, next. A. Find the possible values of b and c. Okay. So now let's look at our a, b and c from this equation. A is 1x square, b is just b, and c is c. So from here, we put in the a, b and c values inside this. B will just be b, only the a will change to 1. So 4 times 1 is still negative 4 times 1 is still negative 4. So this is just negative 4c lah. No changes. Okay, 4 times a times c will be 4c because a is just 1. Okay. Then we solve this simultaneously. So what we do is we can multiply the second equation by 4. So the first equation is b square minus 4c is 16. Second equation we times 4, we will get 4b minus 4c equals to negative 16. Then these two we can eliminate. So negative 4c and negative 4c can be eliminated by minusing off each other. So the first one will be b square minus 4b. Negative 4c minus negative 4c cancels off. 16 minus negative 16 will be 32. So if b square minus 4b, 32 we bring over this side, minus 32 equals to 0. We can now factorize this. So a is 1, b is negative 4, c is negative 32. So we get b is negative 4 and b is 8. So b plus 4, b minus 8. Right. So now we have the values of b. Let's find what is c. So to find c, we can take these values and sub it into any of these equations. So let's just take the second equation, easy. B minus c is negative 4. So from here, making c the subject, c we bring there becomes b plus 4 equals to c. Okay, so let's find c. C will equal to negative 4 plus 4, or c equals to 8 plus 4. This is 0 and this is 12. So we can say when b is negative 4, c is 0. When b is 8, c is 12. Okay, but let's look back at the question. They said b and c are positive integers. So b cannot be negative 4. So this whole thing we reject. Okay, therefore the only answer will be this. Okay, this one will be rejected. The negative 4 lah. So these are the possible values of b and c. B is 8 and c is 12. Okay, next. Let's look at question B. They want us to find the corresponding roots of the equations. Alright. So x square plus bx, therefore plus 8x, plus cx. So plus 12 equals to 0. They want us to find these roots, the roots of this equation. So here we just can factorize lah. A is 1, B is 8, C is 12. So x is negative 6 and x is negative 2. X plus 6, x plus 2. So these will be the roots of this equation. That's it.